At Stakelums, we understand the importance of having a comfortable and functional workspace. With over 50 years' experience, we offer a wide range of furniture options that are perfect for any educational or office environment. Whether you need desks, chairs, storage solutions, or anything in between, our team of experienced professionals are experts in furniture installation and can help you transform your space quickly and efficiently. We'll work with you every step of the way to ensure that you're satisfied with the end result and are committed to providing the highest level of customer service possible. Having recently received all 3 ISO qualifications, we pride ourselves on service and working with some of Ireland's leading organisations. It's clear to see why so many organisations are choosing Stakelums. So, whether you're looking to upgrade your school's classrooms or your office's workspaces, we're here to help. Contact us today to learn more about our range of furniture options and how we can transform your space.